Well, you're at the park at Tysons, and right now we have our block parties, and we are transforming this building to be a vibrant, creative space for the community. The block party right now is showcasing a local DJ, we have the local brewery, we have markets with artisans and a whole bunch of other things going on. So it's a lot of fun, just something good for the community, and especially in the summer.
The PARC stands for People, Arts, Rec, and Culture, or it could be community. This space is the new headquarters or hub for Celebrate Fairfax.
Celebrate Fairfax's role in Fairfax County is to build community. We create different experiences, programs, events that bring people together. So our goal is to just make this space lively and fun and someplace everybody wants to come.
This is our block party / open house, where we are just reintroducing what we have going on, who Celebrate Fairfax is, what we do, all of our different services, some of the great artists that we're featuring, the local vendors.
And we have an excellent staff who is here all the time to be sure people feel welcome and that they feel like they have a place of belonging. We're happy to be here, we're so thankful to be in this space, which as you look around is really just is welcoming. We've just opened a past, present, and future section in honor of our 250th anniversary coming up.
I think the events like this are important for the community because it brings people together, connects neighbors. If you're looking to find more information about Celebrate Fairfax, go to our website at www.celebratefairfax.org.